Samsung Galaxy S24 series just launched before 2 days ago. Today I am gonna show you hands-on review of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy S24, and Galaxy S24 Plus. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So I have the new Galaxy S24 Ultra in my hands, and compared to the previous Ultra models, the most significant change is its more boxy design. Unlike the rounded rectangle back of the S22 Ultra and S23 Ultra, the S24 Ultra has a right-angled bezel, giving it a more squared-off look. Not only has the back cover design changed, but the front screen has also transitioned from a curved display to a straight screen. The bezels around the screen are now very narrow, making the overall design sleeker. To illustrate the difference, when comparing the S24 Ultra to the previous S23 Ultra, the new model has significantly narrower borders and a smaller chin. The chin, in particular, is much less pronounced compared to the wider one on the S23 Ultra. This results in a more evenly distributed screen, almost appearing as if there's an equal width of screen on all four sides. The second major upgrade is the new titanium frame of the phone. I currently have the titanium grey color, which closely resembles the natural color of titanium. The antenna band, compared to the bezel, has a slight concave shape, adding a unique touch. There are 4 color options in total. Aside from the grey, there's a titanium purple with a slightly purple back shell, but mostly appears grayish under light. Another option is titanium yellow, which has a goldish tint on the back and a more yellowish bezel, giving it a classy look. The last color is black, which has a somewhat grayish tone, resembling a space gray color. The black version features a black titanium frame, creating a deep and simple appearance. Overall, these are the 4 titanium colors available for the S24 Ultra. The front screen is an impressive 6.8-inch 2K display with an extremely small R-angle, almost giving the appearance of a right-angle bezel. The front camera cutout has also become smaller compared to the previous generation, providing a more refined look. In terms of brightness, there's a significant improvement. The screen's peak brightness has been increased from the previous 1750 nits to an impressive 2600 nits, making it even more vibrant and bright. The design of the rear camera arrangement is quite similar to the previous generation. However, there are notable differences in the camera specifications. In the previous model, the front-facing telephoto lens had a 10x optical zoom, but in the S24 Ultra, it has been changed to a 5x leading-edge telephoto lens. Despite the shorter focal length, the camera module at the bottom is larger, and the pixels are also larger, ensuring clearer shots at the 5x zoom level. Additionally, the main camera now boasts an impressive 200 megapixel resolution and features a dual focal length capability. This means it can switch between 2 focal lengths by cropping the image, effectively doubling the available focal lengths. Combined with the 5x telephoto and the existing triple focal length, the S24 Ultra now offers a more practical range of focal lengths, ranging from 2 times to 3 times and up to 10 times with hybrid zoom. The camera interface reflects this enhancement, showcasing a more versatile range between the triple and 10 times zoom levels. The 5x optical telephoto lens, especially in close-up telephoto shots, proves to be more practical and frequently used compared to the previous generation. The S24 is a compact phone with a 6.2-inch screen. It's designed to be comfortable for one-handed use, featuring very narrow bezels, creating a truly rectangular look. The S24 has a small front camera cutout, making its appearance sleek and stylish. It comes in 4 colors: yellow, gray silver, black, and purple. On the other hand, the S24 Plus has a larger 6.7-inch screen. While still comfortable to hold, it is slightly bigger than the S24. The bezels are narrow, similar to the S24, resulting in a high screen-to-body ratio. The S24 Plus also comes in 4 colors: yellow, gray silver, black, and purple. The purple color on the S24 Plus appears more vibrant compared to the S24 Ultra, giving it a brighter look. Both phones have screens with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, offering excellent visibility. The S24 Plus now shares the same 2K screen resolution as the S24 Ultra, while the smaller S24 maintains a 1080p resolution, slightly lower than its larger counterpart. The Galaxy S24 has a battery capacity of 4000 mAh, while the S24 Plus has a larger battery with a capacity of 4900 mAh. The S24 Ultra has the highest capacity among them, with a 5000 mAh battery. All 3 phones are equipped with the 3rd generation Snapdragon 8 processor, which is likely an overclocked version specifically designed for Galaxy devices. In the UK, the starting price for the Galaxy S24 Ultra is £1,249. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.